How to email large video files from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up Google Drive application on your phone. From the home page of Google Drive, tap on Files at the bottom right corner. Now, navigate to the folder where you want to upload the video. After choosing a folder, tap the colorful plus icon in the bottom right corner and select Upload File. Then choose Photos and Videos, which opens your iPhone's photo library. From the library, select the large video file you want to share and tap Upload. The video is then uploaded to your selected file. To share the Google Drive link via email, tap the three-dot menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Manage Access. On the Access screen, change the General Access setting from Restricted to anyone with the link. This step ensures the email recipient can actually view the file. After updating the permissions, tap the share icon right beside General Access and the link will be automatically copied. Finally, open the Mail app. Compose a new email and paste the link into the body of the email. The recipient of the email can now click this link to view or download the large video file directly from Google Drive without worrying about size limits. Following these steps, you can email large video files on an iPhone.